So you've been home a lot, right? And maybe you're noticing that your home needs a little extra TLC, right? It's like dirty here, dirty there. So Elizabeth Pran, she got the queen of Quaranclean to share some of her spring cleaning hacks. Take a look.
If there's one thing the pandemic has done, it's brought us closer to our living quarters. The good, the bad, and the gross.
I knew that was going to be shock value. We're not out running around doing, living that crazy busy lifestyle that we're used to.
The queen of Quaranclean, we call her. Sarah McAllister, posting almost 2 million followers on social media. She's become a household staple, helping us to love where we live.
Everyone thinks their stuff is wrecked, and I'm like, no, it just needs to be cleaned. You don't need a new stove. You don't need a new dishwasher, all of that stuff. They think, oh, I'll just replace it. No, we can quickly fix it if you know the right methods and the right products to use.
One room at a time, McAllister says. Try the kitchen. For many of us, it's where we've been living for a year. Start with the dishwasher.
Right, so see that little tiny circle at the very bottom, that's your dishwasher filter. So twist it usually to the left. And then pull it up. Yeah, let's see how dirty it is.
Don't be intimidated if your oven or stove is a wreck. You can make it new. On top of the oven self-cleaner option, McAllister says get some SOS, heavy-duty oven cleaner, and some elbow grease. Give it time to work before you wipe. The stove, barkeeper's friend, and her signature combo, powdered Tide, hot water, and a splash of bleach.
That's my claim to fame. We do a teaspoon of powdered Tide in a gallon of hot water, but we like to add a third cup of bleach into it for disinfecting power. Totally safe to mix those, and then just just vacuum your baseboards first, and then wipe down the baseboards, wipe down your walls, your windowsills. Oh, it's just, honestly, it's magic, that stuff.
Don't forget the laundry room. After all, we've been washing a lot of comfies this year. If you have a front loader, drain the water first.
Now pull your filter out. We usually find about 20 bucks in there. Like sometimes it gets money, it gets kids' toys, everything, socks, little tiny baby socks get stuck in there. That's just your general filter that's going to filter everything out. So as long as you're cleaning that I say do it once a month.
Last but not least, enjoy the process and your hard work.
What I find is that, it is a lost art because it's not something that we've taken all the time to learn.
And Lynn, I love how she talked about it being a lost art, because there is huge gratification, and you see all your hard work, and you can own it, you can get your kids involved, and it's actually something that you can be really proud of. After all, we're at home all the time, right?
All the time. Oh, after seeing the little dishwasher filter, I am scared to see my own, and I'm never eating off my plates again.
Well, it's just, you're going to see all your kids' vegetables, because if they're like mine, they don't touch them.
I was going to say, they're not in their bellies. They are in my dishwasher. Thank you.